Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope my all the dear students are very fine and also revising all the chapters as we are doing the revision of all the chemistry chapters now. So, dear students, lastly we have started with the pollution. Dear student, before starting the explanation, I appreciate all the students, those who have participated in today's competition, and all the students have done a brilliant job. So I am very happy with all the students' performance and keep it up, dear students. Fine, dear students. Pollution, the presence of unusually high concentration of the harmful or the poisonous substance in the environment is called pollution. मैंने आपसे ये भी कहा था pollution को हम contamination भी कहते हैं. Okay, pollution contaminates the air and water with the poisonous substances and make them impure to such an extent that they become harmful to the human beings, other animals, plants, as well as the non-living things. So dear students, pollution are of different types. So here we are able to see that solid waste pollution is there. Then we have water pollution. Also we have the air pollution. So we have talked about the air pollution in our last video, but today we will be talking more in detail about this, that what could be the harmful effect of the air pollution. Before this, let me tell you, dear students, we need to understand that there are so many different types of the pollutions, but in this chapter we study air and water pollution. So dear students, pollution, what does it look like? So dear students, सबसे पहली important बात तो ये है कि pollution कैसे होता है, या हम अगर ऑब्जर्व करें तो pollution क्या दिखता है. If we are living in the villages, we could be see the very fresh and clean air. But when you come to the city, when you go to the center of the city, you are able to see that lots of traffic jam and the atmosphere is so much polluted. You could literally feel it by having the irritation in eyes, breathing difficulties, and so many other problems. Also, the skin could be severely affected by such a kind of the atmosphere. So this is very important to understand that is a very harmful things. Okay, dear students, if we talk about air, so dear students, you all know that what is air. Air is a mixture of gases. Air क्या है? It is a mixture of gases. Two main gases present in air are nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen makes up 78% of the air, whereas oxygen makes 21% of the air, and the remaining 0.1% is occupied by carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, and other gases. So dear students, actual our composition of the air is this particular gases. In addition to the normal constituent, polluted air may also contain some harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, that is CO, sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, nitrogen oxides, that is NO2. Dear student, it could be NO2 also, it could be NO3 also. SO2, that is your sulfur dioxide. Okay, mono means one, di means two. Now dear student, here we are able to see the chart of our air. एयर का चार्ट हम देख रहे हैं. सी 78% of nitrogen which is shown by green color. Okay, wherein oxygen is 21%, right? And the orange or yellow, you can say, that is the 1%, that is all the other gases. So actually this is our composition, dear student, of the air. But when we talk about contamination means addition. When we talk about addition, this particular concentration also contains some other gases. We will be having the harmful gases which are creating the pollution. Just now only we have seen that those could be carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you what is the composition of air. Now dear students, here we are able to see that air pollution. The air over Large cities is contaminated with harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide. Also, dear students, we are able to see the smoke, डस्ट एक्सेट्रा. आप देखते हो स्मोक्स बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स में से क्या निकलता है, स्मोक, ठीक है, एंड दैट इज अल्टीमेटली गोइंग इन अवर एनवायरमेंट. ऑल्सो वी आर एबल टू सी जहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चलता है तो सीमेंट होती है वहाँ पर सैंड होती है, बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स होते हैं, तो वो भी सारे एयर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं और क्या हो जाता है, एयर पॉल्यूट हो जाता है. तो वी कॉल इट एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. द सब्सटेंस whose presence in the air makes it impure or contaminated is called एयर पॉल्यूटेंट. ठीक है, जो भी सब्सटेंस होता है, सब्सटेंस मतलब जैसे कि मैंने बोल दिया कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मैंने बोल दिया कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, तो डियर स्टूडेंट ये जितने भी सब्सटेंसेस है उसको हम बोलते हैं एयर पॉल्यूटेंट. एयर पॉल्यूटेंट. ओके, so dear students, we need to understand over here the causes of the air pollution. So the spelling over here is little bit mistaken over here, so please take it the correct one. How and why? A cloud of the smoke from the exhaust of the vehicle. ठीक है, smoke from the factory chimney, यहाँ से हमें स्मोक मिलता है. इरप्शन ऑफ द वॉल्केनोज, हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं कि ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ ही हो, नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स भी होते हैं. बर्निंग लीव्स, हम जो जनरली लीव्स जलाते हैं वो, ठीक है. सो व्हेन वी आर बर्निंग द क्लाउड्स दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग ट्रैफिक. स्मोक फ्रॉम द चिमनीज, ग्रोइंग सिटीज. Eruption of the volcano, rapid economic development. Cigarette smoke, that is industrialization. And burning, that is apathetic people. So dear student, ये जितने भी यहाँ पे आपको causes बताए गए हैं, these are the major causes because of which our air is polluted. So अगर आपको air pollution पे लिखने के लिए कहा जाए तो my dear students, you have so many things to write, you have lots of points to write about the air pollution because it is a very very wide topic. You can go for writing number of things related with this topic. Next, let us see this. Sources of air. My dear students, the picture is very clearly showing that the chimneys, the factory, the chimneys are exhausting a large amount of the gases into the air. Dear student, एक छोटी सी बात इमेजिन करो, अगर आपके घर के आसपास वाटर लॉग हो गया है, मतलब पानी जमा हो गया है, अगर उसमें कोई कचरा फेंक रहा है तो हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन होता है कि हम उस कचरे को निकाल के अलग ट्रीटमेंट दे और वाटर जो है उसको अलग ट्रीटमेंट दे और वो पॉल्यूशन को थोड़ा सा क्योर कर सकते हैं. बट जस्ट इमेजिन अबाउट द एयर पॉल्यूशन. एयर पॉल्यूशन में क्या ये पॉसिबल है, एक बार चिमनी में से गैस एटमॉस्फेयर में चला गया फिर हम उसको नहीं पकड़ सकते. वी कैन नॉट होल्ड इट. आर यू गेटिंग? सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू होल्ड द एयर पॉल्यूशन. एयर पॉल्यूशन को होल्ड करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. So dear students, we should see that what could be the harmful effects and how we can cure, or we can say that how we can solve the problem of the air pollution. So dear students, it is also important to see forward with this particular, that is harmful effect of the air pollution. क्या क्या problems हो सकती है? Health problems. Dear students, first of all I could say that there will be the breathing problem. We will be simply facing a problem. Damage to the environment, that is a very biggest loss we are suffering. Damage to the property. Dear student, इतने सारे ऐसे monument है जो air pollution की वजह से spoil हो रहे हैं दिन by दिन. Okay, thinning of the protective ozone layer of the atmosphere, which is leading to the climate changes. Dear student, हमारा ozone layer day by day क्या हो रहा है, deplete हो रहा है. Okay, and इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट एसिड रेन, डियर स्टूडेंट, हमें क्या यहाँ पे साइड पे देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड. सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन जब भी वाटर के साथ कंबाइन होते हैं, दे आर फॉर्मिंग नाइट्रिक एसिड, दे आर फॉर्मिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस एसिड्स व्हेन कमिंग डाउन along with the rain, we call it as a acid rain. हम उसे एसिड रेन बुलाते हैं. सो आर यू एबल टू सी इन द पिक्चर, इट इज़ वेरी क्लियरली गिवन यू दैट क्लाउड्स, चिमनीज बताई हुई है, चिमनीज में से स्मोक जा रहा है एटमोसफियर में. एटमोसफियर में यू नो मॉइस्चर इज देयर, मीन्स वाटर कंटेंट इज देयर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपन्स जनरली, the water will be combined with NO2, SO2, and acids will be formed, and it will come back in the form of a acid rain. So dear student, here you are able to see the pictures which is showing the change because of the acid rain. Are you able to see the leaves? One is green in color and one is very light because the acid is falling on it, and all those trees are weakened and eaten by the insects. So dear students, ये जो एसिड रेन होता है सिर्फ ह्यूमन बींग्स, लिविंग बींग्स के लिए ही नहीं होता, ये नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए भी प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इन अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द अनदर प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड विद द एयर pollution. Hope you understood the topic. Have a good day ahead, dear students.